From The Joy of Reading and Writing Superman and Me by Sherman Alexie, which specific details did you star? What do the vocabulary words mean in the context of the text? I want you to find avid. What details in the sentence help you to understand the meaning of the word? Now I want you to find prodigy. What details in the sentence help you to understand the meaning of the word prodigy? Now I want you to find subverted, and we may see the prefix sub when we look at different vocabulary throughout the year. But what details in the sentence help you understand the meaning of the word subverted? Now I want you to go back and add avid, prodigy, and subverted to your vocabulary log. You may use the digital copy that is attached to this lesson in Google Classroom, or you may use the print copy that starts on page 184 in your workbook. Now you're going to reread the text with your partner or group. You will highlight words or phrases that reveal the author's attitude toward the following topics. You will highlight in blue the author's attitude about reservation life. You will highlight orange about your author's attitude toward how others treat American Indians. You will highlight in yellow the author's attitude toward reading and writing. And you will highlight in pink the author's attitude toward other American Indians. We're going to have about 10 minutes to do this activity in our groups. Now I want you to look back at your highlights. What patterns or contrast do you see in these words and phrases? Do the words and phrases relate to each other? Do the words and phrases contradict each other? So now we're going to answer the questions on the slide in Nearpod. The first question that you will answer is, what patterns or contrast do you see in these words or phrases? Then you will answer, what does this reveal about Alexie's point of view? As you look to answer this, I want you to think about these questions. What do these words and phrases have in common? How would you describe the tone of these words or phrases? What impact do these words or phrases have on the reader? In other words, what does this tell the reader about Alexie's attitude or his point of view? You will have 5 minutes to answer these questions in Nearpod.